How to reset the oil life to 100% on 2008 Honda CRV. Step 1. Turn on the vehicle and then navigate the screen where it shows the oil life, and then on your instrument cluster there will be a black knob right there. You press and hold that knob for about 10 seconds. Once you start seeing the blinking, now instead of pressing, rotate the knob to up to where oil life is blinking. At this point, now place the knob once and release. And when the entire screen is blinking, now press and hold for another 10 seconds. And by doing that, it has reset the oil life to 100%. That's how you do it. Subscribe and stay tuned. My name is Jeff Carbuoy.